Hello my kitchen fam, welcome back to my channel. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. In today's video I'm going to show you guys this recipe that I made during my detox week, and this was one of those days that I made lunch. Mind you, this recipe can be for breakfast, lunch or dinner. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So guys, it's time to prepare lunch for my first day of my detox journey. So this is what I'm gonna prepare. We got some green beans right here. We got black pepper, salt, oil, turmeric, ginger, cucumber, carrots, and garlic. So stay tuned for this process. So I'm gonna chop up these. So I did a tea video while I was making this recipe, so you guys stay tuned for that. I will upload that in a separate video. Into 1 cup of this bad boy. So this is 1 cup, and I'm going to go ahead and get my garlic chopped. I use 1 garlic because I'm not a fan of garlic. The recipe said 1 to 2 garlic. I'm going to juice this lemon. Let's go to the stove, the pan. I'm gonna add my garlic. You can add a lot more garlic if you want to. And then saute the garlic in the pan. Couple seconds. And I'm gonna add my cup of green beans. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt, taste, and then I'm gonna add some black pepper, and that's it. And combine those. Cover and let it be matched up. So I'm supposed to have this with baked sweet potatoes, but I had some leftover potatoes that I'm going to warm up and have it with this. So while all of that is going on, cooking up, I'm going to get ready my cucumber and carrots. So this is some leftover potatoes, and I'm gonna have it with this. So let's get ready my cucumber and carrots over there. So my cucumber and carrot are already washed. I just need to kind of peel this carrot. I'm going to do it off camera, and I will do it. My peeled carrot, and let me see how I do it. Like this way. And then I'm going to slice them into small pieces. I'm going to cut this one up, and I'll be right back. So my carrot sticks are done. I'm going to make the cucumber. better this way to cut. I'm going to put them into this plate. And this is what it looks like. What I'm going to do now is to sprinkle my lime juice over it. Right here. Just like that. And later on, if I want to add me some black pepper and salt, I will add it to it, because I like black pepper on my cucumbers. So we toss that a little bit, and then let's check on the beans. I think these are ready, but I'm gonna let it simmer some more. While I'm waiting, I'm gonna warm up my baked potatoes. I'm going to take this off and put in there. So this is the full course. So here is it, the potatoes. Now I'm going to go in with this on the side. So here's the full course menu. I'm going to add some black pepper and salt into my cucumber. Just salty. This is it. And I have my tea right here. So that's gonna be lunch. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this simple, easy, quick menu. Thank you all for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Friends and Loved Ones About Willa's Kitchen YouTube channel. I shall see you guys in another video. Peace and out.